How to use the budget template step by step. Start with the Church Budget tab. This is where you'll track all your monthly expenses and view totals. Number 1, locate the expenses column, column A. This includes preset categories like pastor's salary, church administrator, rent or mortgage, etc. You can rename the expense titles, delete or add new rows if needed. Number 2, enter your monthly expenses. Fill in the amount spent each month under the correct column, January through December. For example, if you paid the pastor $800 in January, enter $800 in the January column next to the category titled Pastor's Salary. Number 3, view the auto-calculated totals. The rightmost column, Total, will automatically sum all 12 months for each expense category. The bottom row, Total, adds up each column to show your total expenses per month. The very last cell calculates the total for all months. Next, go to the Summary tab. This is where you'll track your income and view your overall balance. Number 1, enter total incomes, giving info, and total expense amount in column B, which includes amount through fund, any fundraisers or external donations received, income through church earnings, tithes, offerings, or recurring giving, income through charity, optional giving or assistance funds. Expenses. Use the total from the church budget sheet. Balance. This amount will automatically calculate for you income minus expenses. Number 2, view the visual chart. The bar chart on the right gives a clear visual summary of your income, expenses, and balance. If you found this helpful, I'll be sharing more tools just like this to help small ministries grow and stay organized. Be sure to subscribe for more.